In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the student dashboard in Tutorlms. If you're using Tutorlms on your WordPress site and want to customize how students interact with their learning materials, adding a student dashboard is a great way to enhance that experience. Let's break down the steps and get your student dashboard set up efficiently and effectively. First, we'll start by creating a new page in WordPress that will host your student dashboard. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Pages in the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see an option to Add New. Go ahead and select that. This will load a new page editor where you can start designing your dashboard. In the blank slate of the new page, imagine how you want your students to engage with the content. Tutorlms offers a suite of blocks that can help you achieve this. From course lists to progress bars, you have various options at your disposal to enhance user experience. Start by adding these Tutorlms blocks to your page. For instance, incorporating a course list block allows students to see the courses they're enrolled in at a glance, while progress bars give visual feedback on how they're advancing through each course. Take your time to arrange these elements in a way that feels intuitive and user-friendly. Once you're satisfied with the layout and content, remember to give your page a title that accurately reflects its purpose, such as Student Dashboard, and save your work. Now that you have your custom dashboard page, it's time to make it official within Tutorlms. Navigate to the Tutorlms settings within your site. You can find this by returning to the dashboard and clicking on Tutorlms in the menu, then selecting Settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll see a tab labeled Pages. It's here where you tell Tutorlms which page to use as the student dashboard. Under the Student Dashboard page setting, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal a list of your existing pages. Select the custom page you just created. This is an important step as it formally links your personalized dashboard to the student's profile, ensuring that when they log in, this is the page they'll interact with. After you've made your selection, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, often found at the bottom or top of the page. Clicking Save ensures that all your hard work is secured and that the custom dashboard is now live for student use. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to creating and assigning a student dashboard in Tutorlms. Following these steps will help enhance student interaction with course materials, providing them with a streamlined and engaging educational experience. Thank you for following along, and feel free to explore other customization options within Tutorlms to continue improving your educational platform.